Hey everyone, welcome to Biology. I'm Mr. Avila and I really look forward to exploring the incredible world of living things with you this year. This class is all about understanding the basic ways that life works, from some of our largest ecosystems on Earth all the way down to the smallest cells. This year in biology, we'll journey from big picture to the smallest details of life, seeing how everything connects. In semester 1, we'll kick things off with an intro to biology and learn some lab safety. Then we'll explore ecology, understanding how living things interact in their environment. This will lead us to zoom in on both humans and plants in cell biology, discovering the tiny units of life and how they grow and divide in the cell cycle. For semester 2, we'll dive into biochemistry, the chemistry behind life, and how cells get their energy. Next up will be genetics, showing how traits are passed down, tying into DNA, the blueprint for all living things. Finally, we'll put it all together by studying evolution, understanding how life has changed over time thanks to these processes. To be successful in this class, there are a few required materials that you'll need to bring with you every day. First up is a college-ruled composition notebook with about 70 to 100 pages. Just make sure it's college-ruled. Next up, a box of colored pencils, about 12 for diagrams and projects. Third, a two-pocket portfolio to keep all your papers organized, a highlighter pen, and then you might want to include things like loose leaf binder paper. Just make sure that it's college-ruled. Here are some of the learning resources we'll be using this year. Canvas will be where I post assignments and you check grades. Quizlet is an online app for digital flashcards that is really helpful. Remind is just a way for us to communicate with one another that's a little bit faster than email. And finally, Discord. If you're not sure what Discord is, I'll explain that once we start the course. Now, here's a graded policy, and we run on a weighted grading scale, which means that the tests and quizzes will account for 55% of your grade, labs and project will account for 20% of your grade, assignments and participation 15% of your grade, and notebook and portfolio checks at 10% of your grade. And over to the right, you can see how letter grades break down by total percent. We'll go over all the classroom expectations in detail, but here are the big ones. Come to class on time and always do your best on assignments. Respect yourself, others, and equipment, and ask for help when needed. If you just follow my classroom success plan, you'll do great this year. I look forward to an awesome year with all of you, and I'll see you here in room H6.